What is going on, guys? It's Vape Tech Unboxed, and today we're going to be taking a look at what's in my vape box for the month of March. And I'm so freaking excited for March, and I'll tell you why in just a second. But my name is Margie, and this is my wife, Nikki.
What's up?
She's going to be helping me with these vape box videos. Let me know if you guys like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's just easier for me to show you guys everything and be able to taste the liquids when I have her here helping me. So that's what we're gonna do.
Yep, and we are both vapors, so we both got our mods, and yeah, we can give you guys like a little description of what the flavors would taste like, because it's pretty cool. If one of them sounds good to you and you are a vapor, you can get these liquids on vapebox.com, which is pretty cool. So
yes, and if you guys are interested in a subscription with Vapebox, it's going to be the first link in the description. And you guys, you need to jump on this. If you're a vapor, you need to jump on this. Like I said, I'm excited for it, but March is called like March Mod Madness. So everybody who had the enthusiast subscription, the one I'm gonna show you today, got a new mod in their box.
my baby needed a new mod because she gave me this one, the really nice one that she got a while back.
The last
like
one
has a screen that you could put a screensaver on. She gave me this one, and she's been using like another one that they sent her, but it's not the best. Like
it's not a good one.
It could use an upgrade.
Yeah.
So I'm excited for her to get a new one.
I'm excited too, guys. I am so pumped. I am so pumped for a new mod. I don't know. I believe in Vapebox, and I think they sent out a good one. It's about that time.
Yeah.
We got our March vape box right here. It came in a bag that had my address, all that good stuff, but I already took it out. It's in their plain white, beautiful, sleek premium box.
I love these boxes, you guys. You guys can use these boxes to like keep juices in, to keep like vape supplies in, put presents in. I love them.
Which is what we do.
Yeah.
Because I get a lot of tanks, I get a lot of coils, I get a lot of all kinds of stuff from Vapebox. I've had this subscription for I think like over a year.
Yeah.
So we have a lot of these that are filled with empty bottles or full bottles that we just haven't gotten to yet, or tanks, or they're just all over the place. It's nice to keep them in a little box like this.
Yeah.
But anyways, we're gonna open it up. It says Vapebox right there.
Yeah.
And I will let Nikki do the honors this time.
Let's crack it open. Ooh, let's put this the right way so you guys can see. But this is what it looks like on the inside. It says March 2018, and it's very colorful, very green for St. Patty's Day.
St. Patty's Day. But if you look on this side, it says Mod Vapebox Madness.
Yes.
So I guess it's kind of like the March Madness is like basketball season. Vapebox Mod Madness for Vapebox.
Yes.
There's that.
They sent you a cute little sticker that says Vapebox. We have tons of these that just hang out in our house, but this one is cute. Look, it's green.
It matches this.
It's green.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So two St. Patty's Day stuff, and then what else?
Then you have your menu on top of here, which also says Mod March Madness, and inside of here we'll have all the liquids, the flavors, and the descriptions and the prices. So we'll be telling you guys about those as well. And then when you take this off, you see the products.
And let's see, this is like a right on top. It's not even under the little, you guys know they always send you with a bunch of little paper foam stuff.
Yeah.
And this month it's green for St. Patty's Day. The first thing we have is a sample 2-piece that says cotton threads. You want to read a little bit more about that?
That just says, enjoy this free gift from our friends at Cotton. It costed $0 because this is a sample, and it doesn't really say anything about it. It just says cotton threads.
Oh, and that's exactly what it is, you guys. It's just cotton.
You gotta do the beauty guru. There you go.
There you go.
There you go.
So, sample pack of cotton.
Yep. We don't really build mods anymore. We used to be really big into buildables and like drip mods. We don't use those anymore. We just use the refillable tanks. If we ever go into buildables again, we'll have some cotton.
We have cotton. We're gonna be breaking it open again. It has Vapebox here.
Pull one out.
Let's go. We're gonna start with liquids first, you guys, okay? So the first liquid that I pulled out is called Coconut H2O. go.
All right, the description is, it is an island coconut water. The retail price is $24. It is 80% VG, 3 milligrams, and it is a 60 milliliter bottle.
So it's a 60 mil. Look at how big this is, you guys.
Yeah.
They freaking hooked it up for March Madness.
Yeah.
60 milliliters. This says it's pure coconut water e-juice. So I
know, that is so crazy. I love coconut water, like to drink, so I don't know about vaping it.
Whoa.
Oh yeah, oh that smells just like coconut. It's so cool.
That smells so bomb. So
I can't wait to try that one.
So they spoiled us this month. You guys are all pretty big. This one's called Hulk Tears, another 60 milliliter bottle.
Hulk Tears, that's pretty cool. Ooh, I'm gonna like this one. The description is watermelon, apple candy, and berries. The retail price is 23 bucks. It's 70% VG, 3 milligrams, and it is a 60 milliliter bottle.
Another 60 mil, another gigantic bottle. Ooh, this one's called Members Only.
Members only. So this is a strawberry sugar cookie crumble with ice cream. It retails for $15, 70% VG, 3 milligrams, and that is a 30 milliliter bottle.
So a 30 mil. So far we have two 60 mils and a 30 mil.
Yeah.
All really big size bottles.
Yep.
Our next and last liquid we got is Rocket Punch.
So this is a rainbow sherbet flavor. Retails for 10 bucks, 70% VG, 3 milligrams, and it's a 30 mil.
Rainbow sherbet.
I know, that's gonna be good.
That sounds so good.
That's gonna be good.
So good. We've gotten two 60 mil bottles and two 30 mil bottles.
Yes.
And they're all the really fat, like chunky bottles. Like they're like really chunky. I don't know if you guys can see that, but
Yep.
really nice liquids. I'm so pumped.
excited.
And for the moment we've all been waiting for, our mod.
Yeah.
Check this freaking box out. The Chaos mod.
All right, you guys,
Woo.
so this is a Chaos Z box mod. This is adopting an aggressive design with see-through chassis alongside an advanced chipset. This retails for 50 bucks.
So $50 mod. Before I open this, there's nothing else in the box, you guys. It's just a bunch of
Those annoying little things that get everywhere in your
yeah.
house.
So box is empty. I do, however, want to just let you guys know the retail value for this box in March was $122.
Damn.
$122, you guys. I paid $60.
Yes.
So my savings was $62.
That is pretty sick.
I got free $62 worth of vape products right here. Like, if you guys are holding back,
Just
this
do it,
just
you
shows
guys.
you. Yeah, this shows you it's worth it.
Especially if you're vapors, like it's a good deal.
So it says the total milliliters that they gave us was 180. The retail value was 122. I paid 60 and total savings was 62.
Nice.
And then of course at the very bottom, I'll let you guys take a look at this menu real quick because you guys know I always read it to you. There's the menu. You guys can screenshot it if you would like to see everything we just went over. But at the very bottom it just says Dear Margaret, which is my name. Thank you for making it possible for us to surprise you and everyone in our community with different vape goodies each month. Your Vapebox was created with love, so we hope you enjoy everything that's in it. Sincerely, the Vapebox creation team. Thank you, Vapebox.
Yeah.
And of course on the back you have your warnings and safety for your juice and the mod and all that stuff. Okay, so it is time. We are going to open this bad boy up because I'm going to use it to taste these liquids. So if you guys just wanted to see what came in the box, that is over. Video is ended. But if you want to stick around with me and Nikki and we're gonna try these juices out, I'm gonna let you guys know what I think about this new mod. We're gonna try the mod out. Stick around, get some popcorn, get some drinks, hang out with us. It shouldn't be too long, but yeah, we're gonna let you guys know what we think about all the juices and stuff.
Ooh,
So yeah, here we go. We're gonna break into the Chaos.
That looks so sick. Hey, she almost stabbed me in the face.
I'm so pumped, I'm so excited, I can't handle it. Very nice packaging, you guys. Get that out of here.
Get that out of here.
Check out that packaging, it's so nice.
That is a sick box.
It is a box mod.
It is a sick box.
Get that out of here. And then another box looks like this. It's white.
That's a sick.
The wattage range is 10 watts to 200 watts. So this bad boy gets pretty high up there.
Gets hot.
In the package, you get one Chaos Z mod, which is the mod, a USB cable, you get a user manual and a warranty card.
Oh, nice. Make sure it doesn't
Get
fall
that
out.
out of yeah. Oh, I know this will shatter.
Video's over. It's shattered.
What's in there?
Let's see what's in here. What's in here?
Ooh, this is beautiful.
It's a surprise. It's a surprise. Oh wait, does this not take batteries?
Yeah, it does.
Oh, it does?
Here.
Oh, okay, cool. Because this is just a USB cord if you want to charge it through the USB.
I don't know if it has pass-through charging. That might be for updates.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this might be for updates. If you guys want me to do a separate video on just the mod and I'll figure out all this information for you guys, I'll do it. But yes, they do include a micro USB to USB cable and it can be for charging. I'll try it out and it just might be for your software updates. Your certificate, your warranty cards, your user manual, all that good stuff, but we're just gonna get that out of here.
Hurricane Margie is in town.
Hurricane Margie. All right guys, so this is what the actual mod looks like. Get a good look. You can see the motherboard. It is see-through, so you do see the motherboard. If you turn it around, you'll be able to see your batteries back here. Of course, your tank goes up here. You have some ventilation on the side here. Your little screen that's probably gonna tell you how much battery, all that good stuff. Your fire button is this little red button, and then you have your micro USB in right there. This looks dope.
That is a pretty sick mod.
This is so sick.
Okay, let's trade.
Okay.
I want that one.
No. All right, out batteries from old mod. I'm just going to pop the back open just like that. It is just a magnet.
You know what? We should wrap your batteries with those red wraps that we got because that would look cool.
That would be sick. You have some good ideas because now it's just gonna be caca brown.
If you can see the batteries, why not make them a cool color?
I can see color
Oh
already.
my god, that's so sick. It like lit up.
Whoa.
That is so cool.
Look at that. All right, you guys, batteries in. I turned off the ring light so you guys can just see. It does have some little LEDs right there on the panel. You can see my batteries there on the back. It tells you your wattage, your battery percentage. Tank is off and I'm using the Valerian, which Vapebox sent me. Duh. It's at 40 watts. I'm gonna pump it up. The mod itself goes to 200 watts, you guys. So remember that. I'm gonna just vape it at probably, I'm gonna be safe and vape it at 100. I don't wanna go too much, but I have it at 100 watts. And look, when it's off, like you can't even tell. It's like a mirror.
Can't tell it's a screen.
Until you turn it on.
Check my makeup.
Okay, I'm just gonna test it out with the liquid I have real quick.
Okay. Oh damn.
This is nice. This is nice.
That's pretty sick.
Oh my gosh, I knew I was excited for Vapebox
Yes.
March mod madness for a reason.
Oh,
I can
cool.
change the
Oh my god, that
You
is
guys.
so sick.
That's dope. Look, I could change the colors. Now it's green. Now it's blue. Now it's yellow. Ooh, red.
And it'll match all your like
Ooh,
accessories.
baby blue.
Yeah.
Purple. In the settings, you can have it fade away like this, so it goes through all of the colors. And it's only when you hit the power button, like it turns off so it doesn't waste batteries. If you guys want me to do a separate video going through everything, because I'm trying to like zip by it as fast as I can, but if you guys want to see more about this very awesome mod, let me know by a comment and I will get it done. Let me know down below. The final section of this video is going to be us trying liquids.
I want the watermelon one. The Hulk Tears.
Hulk Tears. I'm gonna do the Rainbow Riot Sherbet. Okay, so this one is exactly what it says. It's Rainbow Sherbet.
Shaky, shaky. Eggs and bakey.
Wowzers.
I died and went to liquid heaven.
The first taste of this rainbow sherbet, like right when it hits your tongue, it tastes like hookah for some reason. After you get like a sherbet taste, it does taste like sherbet.
It tastes exactly like a watermelon Jolly Rancher.
Yes,
Like,
that's the exact taste. Yep.
Like super fruity. The flavor is like super powerful. But if you guys are a watermelon fan, you would like this.
You're gonna like that, yeah. They're both really good. So thumbs up for the Hulk Tears and for the Rainbow Sherbet. Next up we have coconut H2O and members only. So the coconut is just coconut water,
Okay.
which sounds kind of crazy.
And the other one is
Members only?
strawberry sugar cookie with ice cream.
So I'm sure you want the coconut, and I'll take the strawberry cookie.
I don't like cookie flavors and cake flavors.
Definitely, I taste the sugar cookie, strawberry sugar cookie. I don't taste ice cream though.
This one, maybe it's just because it's mixed with everything else that I have, but it doesn't taste like as much of coconut like I thought it would.
Really?
It tastes kind of tastes like graham crackers. And I don't know if it's because it's mixed with stuff, but it does, right? It tastes like cookies or
But
something.
I'm sure it's because you have some stuff in it.
Yeah.
But I can taste coconut a little bit.
Yeah.
But yeah. So those were our liquids and mod and everything that came in Vapebox, you guys. When they do stuff like this and send out mods, don't miss out. Like, at least sign up for their email if you're a vapor, of course. Sign up for their emails, and they'll send out emails reminding you like what months they're gonna be sending out mods or when they have special things coming in your Vapebox.
They're really, really good. We have been super happy with Vapebox.
Again, the link for it is going to be the first link in the description. I do want to send a big shout out to everybody who's shown love on our second channel. If you guys want to support your girls, go check it out. Show some love. That link is also going to be in the description, along with my social media links and Nikki's social media links. Go show Nikki some love on her channel if you guys are into makeup. She does makeup tutorials. Her channel link is going to be down below in the description. I love each and every single one of you guys. Y'all better stay freaking dope, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace, guys.
Bye!